Warm greetings, everyone. I go by the name KUNGFU, and today I'm thrilled to share a glimpse into my personal wellness journey that's been 53 years in the making. Imagine a wellness approach that's not just about physical health, but a holistic balance of your entire being. I know there are other frameworks out there that have up to 12 aspects of wellness, but I want to introduce you to a much simpler, but just as comprehensive model. Introducing my 4-part wellness framework: fitness, social, economics, and vocation. Each enriched by a layer of self-cultivation and spiritual connection. The fitness aspect is where the physical meets mental health. Social aspect deals with our connections with others and the divine. Economic is managing not just money, but time and energy. And finally, we have vocation. This is finding our purpose in our career and creative intellectual pursuits. Now, I'm curious to hear your thoughts. Would you be interested in diving deeper into this framework? I have a framework that's used for journaling, a wellness check, if you will, each week to see where you have come, where you are, and where you would like to go. Join me in exploring a balanced and fulfilling approach to wellness. Share your thoughts and stay tuned for more insights. I go by the name KUNGFU, the Kung Fu Creative. Thank you for watching. Stay inspired and inspirational.